the ABS modular now. Oh, look at that. Oh, there we go. Stalled. Hey, what's up, guys? It's RT Dad loading up the trunk right now. Take some crap to Goodwill because got a lot of shit in the house. Anyways, guys, let's just do a quick little cold start here and get on with the video. Alright guys, so today's video is going to be really short. I just wanted to talk about the ESP light situation that I've been dealing with pretty much since I've got the car, to be honest, guys. You guys saw at the beginning of the video, I was recording for my my mechanic, Dom Toretto. That's what I call him. He'll be in a future video soon, but you saw the car stalled on me, guys. Now the reason for that is, I think, is that ESP light. Every time I make a turn while it's on, it probably stalls like once every 3 months, to be honest, like that. And it's usually when I'm going slow and making a turn like that. So let's go ahead and obviously in the video, guys, I said I kind of figured out how to prevent the light from coming on in the first place. But to prevent from something from coming on, sorry, that was my brake. To prevent from something coming on, you have to know why it's coming on in the first place. So watch this, guys. I figured it out. It's on left-hand turns, but not a normal left-hand turn. It's a left-hand turn with a signal, okay? So I'm not gonna do a signal right now, right? I'm gonna make a left-hand turn. No light, right? Let's do a right-hand turn with the signal. The light's still not gonna come on. You see that? No signal. All right, I'm gonna do a left turn. Watch this. As soon as it retracts back on itself, the light's gonna come on. There it is. You see that? There it is. ESP BAS. That's what's triggering it. So obviously I have a bad angle sensor, most likely. But if you guys don't, if y'all lazy, y'all don't want to freaking change that shit, or go to the dealership so they can charge you $1,500 to change it, or if you don't feel like changing it yourself, here's how to not have it come on at all for free. All right, watch this. All right, first thing you want to do, I put it in park, turn it off, okay? I'm gonna restart the car. All right, I restart the car, and then to reset the angle sensor, you just turn your wheel left and right a couple times all the way. Okay, you see the light came on right now, but as soon as I go right now, the light's gonna turn off because I reset the sensor, okay? Check this out. All right, I'm gonna drive off, you'll see the light turn off right now. And still on. Should usually come off by now. So let's try it again. Let's reset it. I probably didn't reset it properly. So let's put it in park. All right, take the key fob out this time. All right, I'm in park. I'm gonna turn it to the left and right twice. So there's once, and here's the second time. All right, okay, put it in drive. Should come off now. Oh, there it is, it came off. All right, I reset it properly this time. Okay, so watch this, guys. So you saw, I didn't use my turn signal the first time on the left and it didn't turn on, right? Well, obviously, you need to make a freaking turn signal when you go left. But what's causing the light to come on is when it automatically retracts itself, the turn signal, that's when it comes back on, when it does the auto retract, okay? So right now I'm gonna make a left turn. This four-way stop in a second. And what I'm basically gonna do, I'm gonna do the left turn, but before it retracts itself, I'm gonna put it back manually, and the light won't come on like that. It won't ever come on like that. And ever since I've been doing that, it's never stalled on me anymore, okay? Now, does it still need to be fixed? Hell yeah, it does, you know, because you don't want to freaking have to manually do it yourself. But I know some of y'all cheap asses out there are going to do this, so that's why I'm making this video. All right, check this out. All right, this is my turn. Your turn. All right, watch this. I'm going to make a left turn, okay? Right before I did it myself, right? No light. No light, guys, okay? You see that shit? It works. So yeah, guys, like I said, I just wanted to make that this quick video. You know, it's like a little hack, basically. You know what I mean? To avoid from that light turning on in the first place, because when it turns on, guys, the car drives kind of shitty, and then when it's off, obviously I'm in control of the traction control. I can turn it off when I want. You know what I mean? And it's nice and active, right? I could turn it off and it's still smooth, but when that light comes on, it like the car is kind of like confused a little bit with the traction control, because that light is basically for the it's for all your stability control set, you know, safety features and all that. It's basically turned off, and that's not necessarily safe, especially if you're gonna get in an accident, you need to make a sudden stop. Those kind of features assist you with those things, and you don't have that when that light's on. But that's basically gonna be it, guys. If you don't follow the channel, it's based on this 2009 Dodge Charger SRT8. I'll put a couple videos at the end just so you guys kind of see what the channel's about. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, guys. And I hope you enjoyed this hack. Let me know what you think in the comments. You think this is a poor man's way to fix it, or you think it's a legit way to just deal with it? Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'm SRT Dad. I'll see you guys on the next one.